Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share the new digital files that we have this week. Now, earlier in the week, we released the 2-inch butterflies in all of our colors, and now he got done the smaller butterflies in each of the colors. And I want to show you, if you take a 1.5-inch punch, the top butterfly is a 1.5-inch punch, and you can punch it out. And then the middle butterfly is a 1.25-inch punch. And then the one at the very, very bottom is the 1-inch punch. Now, I did that just to show you, all of them will punch out. So you're not going to mess up any of the butterflies if you punch them out. Now let's go through the colors, and this is what they look like too once they're punched out. So it fits perfectly in the punches, or you can fussy cut them. So let's go through all of the colors. So of course we have blue. I am in love with these butterflies. Then we have brown. So what he did was, if you missed the first video, there's a light brown, there's a medium brown, and then there's a dark brown. And then he mixes all three of them in the last butterfly. I absolutely love that. And then if you buy the whole bundle, you have the colorless. That's a bonus. And then you have the dark gray. And then you have the bright orange, and then you have green, and then you have light gray, and then you have mint. This is an exclusive color, and I give like free stuff during my classes, or on Patreon every month they get whatever shape we have, and they have it in the mint color. But I think this is one of my favorite colors. And then this is also a new color, more yellow, because we're going to see yellow at the end of this. So more yellow. And then we have orange. Then we have peach. Then we have pink. And then we have purple. I love the purple. Love it so much. And then we have red. And as you can tell, I've already cut some out of this because, yes, I am in love. And then yellow. And then turquoise. And if you're wondering if the mint and turquoise are, really close, I'll put them side by side. And mint is totally more towards the green, and turquoise is more towards the blue. But oh man, I love those. But that's it. These are the new digital files that are now available in our shop. And right now, everything is 50% off. So if you want to check that out, just go to NicoleJones911.com, go to classes embellishments. And I just want to say, whenever we have new embellishments, they're going to be featured on the homepage. So basically, as soon as you click classes/embellishment, it'll be the newest embellishments. And if you just scroll down to, you'll be able to find the virtual crop. And then next week, I'll put some new ones up there and delete some of the ones that have been there for 2 weeks. So they're going to stay featured on the homepage. So you don't have to go into embellishments. Let's say you can find them on the homepage for 2 weeks. And then after that, we put new stuff up there. But that's it. These are the new digital files this week. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.